to Sunrise. So last week we kicked off our Fox 4 Premiere Week. Now we are in the heart of Premiere Week and we begin our favorite part, the giveaway. So for today, our winners are Charles Harden of Cedar Bluff, Mississippi, and Lonnie Morgan of Columbus, Mississippi. So first of all, I want to say congratulations to both of you. Now they each have won Celebrity's Weakest Links power banks for all of their device charging needs. Now Charles Harden again of Cedar Bluff and Lonnie Morgan of Columbus. So be sure to come to the WCBI headquarters in downtown Columbus to receive your Celebrity Weakest Links power banks. And again, thank you all for entering the Sunrise on Fox 4 Premiere Week giveaway. And I want to remind everyone that you can watch Celebrity Name That Tune tonight at 7 on Fox 4. And the Fox 4 Premiere Week giveaway continues to tomorrow, where we will give away 2 Doc water bottles. So we'll give away the Doc hoodies also during this week. Now, if you want a chance to win one of these, you can still enter to win. All you have to do again is visit our website at WCBI.com/contest and make sure to join us here always on Sunrise for those winner announcements. And also, guys, I want to remind you, you can still enter once a day. So great prizes for our winners.